Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting ways to generate passive income online, building a cash cow YouTube channel from scratch. If you've been looking for a way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, stick around. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started. Choosing a niche, creating content, and turning that channel into a money-making machine. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss a single opportunity for making money. Make sure to watch until the end, as I always save the best for last. Let's get to it. A Cash Cow YouTube channel is a faceless, automated channel that generates passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. And the best part, you don't have to be on the camera. With the right strategy, you can build a profitable channel that makes money around the clock. Are you ready to learn how? Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a quick explanation. What exactly is a Cash Cow YouTube channel? Well, it's a faceless channel that focuses on content that is easy to produce but generates a lot of views and ad revenue. Typically, you'll find Cash Cow channels in niches like personal finance, wealth, health, tech reviews, and lifestyle. These channels often rely on stock footage, voiceovers, and simple editing to produce engaging videos. They're called cash cows because once they start gaining traction, they can bring in consistent revenue with minimal ongoing effort. This means passive income, something we all want, right? All right, now that we know what a cash cow YouTube channel is, the first major step is choosing the right niche. This is super important because not all niches will give you the same earning potential. You want a niche that has a high search demand but isn't overly saturated with competition. Ideally, the niche should also have a high CPM. This is the amount advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. Some of the top niches include personal finance, tech, cryptocurrency, health and wellness, and luxury. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube search to explore what topics people are interested in. You want to find a niche with a steady level of interest over time. Remember, evergreen content that stays relevant long term, is key to building a sustainable cash cow channel. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. This part is pretty straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, create a catchy, memorable channel name that reflects your niche. Next, focus on your branding. You'll need a professional-looking logo and banner. You don't need to be a designer for this. You can use tools like Canva or hire a freelancer from Fiverr to create your branding elements. Also, write a compelling channel description that clearly explains what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. This will help you attract the right audience from the get-go. Don't forget to upload a channel trailer that introduces your content and invites viewers to subscribe. Alright, now let's get into the meat of building Cash Cow channel, your content strategy. To succeed, you need to consistently create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. These type of videos that work best for Cash Cow channels include listicles, how-to tutorials, product reviews, and commentary videos. These formats are easy to produce and are often highly shareable. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could create videos like top 10 gadgets under $50 or best budget laptops of 2024. To stay consistent, create a content schedule. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you're regularly uploading videos. Batch production can also save you a ton of time. Plan and script multiple videos at once, then film or produce them in bulk. Now let's talk about how to create high-quality faceless content. Just because you're not on camera doesn't mean your videos can't be engaging. The key is to use compelling visuals, clear narration, and good editing. Start by sourcing stock footage from free sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or paid options like Storyblocks. You can also use tools like Canva or Doodly to create simple animations and graphics. This will help keep your videos visually interesting without even being on camera. For voiceovers, you can either record them yourself or you can hire someone from Fiverr to do it for you. If you're recording on your own, make sure that you're using a good quality microphone to avoid bad audio, which can turn viewers away. After you've gathered your visuals and recorded your voiceover, it's time to edit everything together. Use software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve to combine your footage, add transitions, and fine-tune the audio. Don't forget to include royalty-free background music to make your videos more engaging. Once your video is ready, the next crucial step is optimizing it for YouTube's algorithm. SEO, or search engine optimization, is what will help your video get discovered by more viewers. Start with a strong keyword-rich title that clearly explains what your video is about. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you find the best keywords to include in your title description and tags. You want to make sure that your video is searchable and shows up in the right recommendations. Also, thumbnails are critical. A good thumbnail can make or break your click-through rate, so invest time in creating eye-catching designs. You want your thumbnail to grab attention and stand out from the competition. Now let's talk money. How do you actually monetize your cash cow YouTube channel? There are several ways to do it. The most obvious way is through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to make money from ads. To qualify, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you hit those milestones, you can start earning ad revenue. Another great way to monetize is through affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links to products you mention in your videos, and you can earn a commission on any sales made through those links. Additionally, once your channel grows, you can land sponsorship deals where companies pay you to promote their products. Once your channel starts gaining traction, it's time to think about scaling. This is where the real potential of a cash cow YouTube channel shines. You can start outsourcing tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail design to freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork. This allows you to focus on strategy and growth, rather than getting bogged down in the day-to-day tasks. Eventually, you can even build multiple cash cow channels in different niches, multiplying your revenue streams. The key is to establish a workflow that makes content creation efficient and scalable. In a nutshell, that's how you build a cash cow YouTube channel from scratch. It's all about choosing the right niche, staying consistent with your content, and optimizing your videos for growth. If you stick to the plan, you'll be on your way to generating passive income in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any future tips and strategies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.